Hello everyone and welcome to a new video of the Jquery Vuejs vs Jquery. Today we have a form that gives us the name and the email and the content. So we're gonna make a form request to we have a fake server here, this link that gives us a fake data. So we're gonna use it with the Jquery code and the Vue.js code, and we're gonna see the difference between the two of them. So we have here, we need to provide the name. Like we see, we have two buttons, one is active and one is disabled. We need to give the name. If the name is entered, so we're gonna appear the active button. If not, we're gonna appear the disabled button, and so the response is gonna be showed here in this bar. So let's begin by jQuery code. So first of all, like we said, we need the value of the name, of the input name, be always sup to the length of this value be always sup to 0. So if it's sup to 0, we're gonna see show the active button. If not, we're gonna still show the disabled button. So let's begin. So each time I entered something in the input name, so we're gonna use kayap event. Each time I entered something, I am gonna check if this value is sup to 0. So we're gonna if this val length sup to 0. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna hide the disabled button and I'm gonna show the active button. So disabled, okay, disabled button, hide and show active button. So first of all, we need to get this active button not shown in the first load of page. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna hide it. So try, but we have something. When the value is deleted, we still see the active button. So we're gonna make the same logic at first until we're gonna change it here if the length is sup to 0. So I'm gonna switch this. So first I will show the disabled button and I will hide the active button. If the value length is sup to 0, I'm gonna do the otherwise. So now it's working. Now we need to get the data. We need to get the data for for the form, the request form. Here we're gonna use Ajax. I don't know if Jquery already has Ajax or not. We're gonna see. So let's begin. Form submit function. First of all, we're gonna have to get the data. Name is name value. The same for email and the content. So I need to init the Ajax call. Let me see if I have a helper here. Not. So So the type will be post URL. Will be this URL, this link. I need post because it's data will be this data. Data type will be, of course, JSON. Code true. So if the request is done, I'm gonna get the data, then I will append the response on this rep of class response. So I'm gonna empty it first, then I will append JSON stringify the data UL2. So I guess now everything will work fine. So I have something I didn't do. I need to make this type submit. Yes, I need to add event prevent default. Why I'm gonna add this? Because I don't want the page to refresh each time I type this button of type submit. So I need to post event. Let's try now. Post is not defined. Yes. So now everything is working fine. Good. Let's stay with a content. Let's make this email again. Or this. Now it's good. So now it's for jQuery. Let's move on to Vuejs. Let's comment this. Let's make it quick. Initialize Vuejs with app element. So what we're gonna need here, we're gonna need the value of the name and the email and the content. So we're gonna need a model on each one. So we're gonna use here model name, model email, model content, and I'm gonna show this if it's active, and I'm gonna show this if it's not active. So let's come here. So like we said, we need the name, we need email, we need the content, then we need active is gonna be false by default. So let's come here, dot submit for. We're gonna try this. So we'll come here, I will make a submit event with a prevent, so the page will not load, with the name of the method. Okay, everything is working. So we're gonna make an Axios post. I imported an Axios library here. You can find it in this in GitHub, Axios GitHub, and you will find it. So we need on post we're gonna use this. So here we give the name, and we give the email, and we give the content. So each one it's this name, this content, this email, this contents. Yes, we forgot to give the response of the data. So let's make it null. So the response will be this response is response. We will have this link again. So now what we need? Yes, we need to make active or disactive. Active if we entered the value of the name. So how we can handle this? We're gonna make a watch, and we will watch our data name. So let's just try if we don't have an error. Okay, so here if value lands 0, it's this active, true, else this active, false. So like I see here, this active is appearing, still appearing. Why is that? Yes, it's V show. It's not an event, it's a bind. Like you see here. Okay. Okay, now it's good. So let's try by making the form. So it's the same. Good. So here we're gonna have the data. So like we see, it's the same. It's not the same. Here we have so many things we have to do, and we just put stuff together. But like Vuejs, you can see it's so organized, and the Axios post it's so cool. You can use some good feature with it, and here you can see what that can do. With jQuery, you can see what that can do. You need to go back to JavaScript code and check it out. So that's it. That it is it for this video. You will see the code source on the description below, and take care. Thank you.